Hey guys, so as you can see by the title, I'm trying to, in efforts to getting my life together, I am gonna try to like declutter and like organize my room. Now the biggest project is this closet, and then how I feel after that, I'm gonna do my hair products and also my dresser. But honestly, after this closet, I don't know how I'm gonna feel. But I do want to do a few things because like I'm also gonna rearrange my room, and that's gonna be in another video. So like this is kind of like prep for that as well. So I was thinking, I don't know what I was thinking, but yeah, I want to like listen to music when I do it. So I'm gonna just do a voiceover of like everything that I do. But pretty much I have like 7 buckets in here that I want to kind of take out and also possibly throw some clothes out. Every like 3-4 months I always throw out clothes. So it shouldn't be, I shouldn't have that much stuff to throw out, but we'll see. I actually like, also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, and share this video. I want to tackle this closet because I know that if I do everything else, I'm not going to get to the closet. Like I have to start with the closet. So I have these trophies that I need to figure out. I need to put them away. So I need to figure that out. So that's just what I'm going to do. So that's what you'll be seeing in these clips. Okay. Alright, so this is all the shit I have. And there's still like 3 more buckets in there, but I'm not taking those out. I have this suitcase in here, so I'm gonna put this suitcase where the suitcase belongs. And I also have these beach towels. I'm gonna leave one out. No, I'm gonna put all of them away. This is where my other trophies are, and I kind of want this window to be cleared off. This is my first ever PR box from Hanging for Hoodies, so I kept it. So in this part, I just decided to kind of rearrange my clothes in my closet, like put all the button-ups together, all the sweaters, all the hoodies, the dresses. So that's just what I'm doing here. So in that closet, I also had a lot of shoes, and you saw me I'm gonna be breaking down like a lot of shoe boxes. So I decided to put some of my shoes into these cubicles, and then later on I decided to reorganize these little cubes and put like all of my sneakers, my Nikes, Adidas, and then my Converse and my Vans, and then everything else. My favorite thing about redoing my closet is what I like to call like going shopping in my closet. I forgot about these. My goal for my hair products was to just have them in the drawer a little bit better, because I had a whole bunch of products like outside of the drawer as well that I wanted to fit in there, and then I just got rid of some stuff that I know I'm just never gonna use. I don't know what it is about curly hair products and curly girls and why we feel the need to hold on to every single product that we buy, even if we don't like it. Like, what is up with that? I also took out products that I was running low on and figured that I can just do a product battle, because I don't have enough in the jar to film, like put it all over my head, and I know that like I really can't buy any more products. Like, I need to use the ones that I have. So I'm like, okay, I could just do a video and that way I could get rid of the product. So that's like my thought process. And then here's me taking out, like, here's me singing, but also taking some of the products that was behind my dresser, putting it in.
I don't mean I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business call me ultra choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know, risky, I'm the lowest of the low.
My dresser just needed to be cleaned. Yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to do, was just take everything out and clean my dresser. So you're gonna see me like I sprayed it down. I even sprayed down the mirror. Like, I'm so bad at cleaning my dresser. Like, and then it's just where I put everything. So I'm like, let's put everything where it belongs, and you know, reorganize, clean it, and then also reorganize it.
Suddenly I like to get it poppin', but these things in my business got me out here choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I'm just killing bottles, so I keep it quiet. Even though I'm risky, I'm the lowest of the low. But if you can keep it, let nobody know. Even though I'm risky, I'm the lowest of the low. But if you can keep it, let nobody know.
Alright guys, my camera keeps like dying, like not even dying, but like cutting in and out. But here's, I think that was it. Yeah, I did my closet, my hair products, I got rid of a few things, and also this dresser. Be on the lookout for a video of me redoing my room. Like a few weeks ago, I cleaned out my nightstand and also my desk area, like my desk filming area. That's still kind of in the works a little bit, but for the most part, it's pretty much cleared out. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys are inspired to clutter and reorganize your room and your life. And yeah, I will see you guys next week. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.